Welcome to the Daydream 245, a stylish 4-bedroom home with quality finishes and smart design touches throughout. Today I'm going to walk you through and show you why this home is perfect for both families and investors. As soon as you enter, you'll notice a generous 2.6 metre ceiling height, upgradable to 2.7, and just off the entry is a dedicated media room, which is the perfect retreat for family movie nights or just a quiet space to relax. Gemini Homes are finished with features that make all the difference, from bullnose corners that will look as good in 10 years' time as they do today, and stone bench tops in the kitchen, including soft close pull-out drawers and custom cabinetry. Every detail is thought through, from the pull-out bins to the vented range hood that vents all the way out to the eaves. And this home features a very generous walk-in pantry, which flows down to the laundry area, which is fully tiled, includes custom cabinetry and more storage. And let's not forget this bag drop area, which just makes everything practical. All exterior doors are aluminium framed with glass panels, so they'll never rot, never warp, and they're easy to secure. From the outside, Gemini uses cement render on concrete block, giving you the most strongest and weather-resistant base possible. No oxidation, just a finish that lasts. Every home meets the highest energy code. You have a 3.7 kilowatt solar system, fully insulated roof, tinted glass, ceiling fans to every bedroom, living area, and outside patio. It's comfort and energy efficient with savings built in from day one. And keeping in line with Gemini's low maintenance quality construction, they even include a solid piece of timber on the windowsill rather than just having gyprock there, and this protects it from any moisture that may come inside. The outdoor patio area, which is perfect for entertaining, includes a security screen, you've got the ceiling fans, down lights, and even an outdoor power point. It's all set up and ready to go. All 4 bedrooms are carpeted for comfort with ceiling fans to every room. The main bedroom also comes standard with air conditioning. Each bedroom has built-in storage, and the main features a walk-in wardrobe and no wire shelving here. In the ensuite, you've got custom cabinetry with soft close drawers off the floor for easy cleaning and long-term durability. A dual shower row setup with built-in soap shelves on both sides, and all bathrooms are wheelchair accessible, just like the rest of the home. When you choose Gemini Homes, you're not just building a house, you're getting a home that is built to last, designed for living, low maintenance, and backed by over 3 decades of proven quality experience.